Hello guys, I have made a Python project. Like it's my first month in Python, and like I made a game. Okay, this is a login system which has game and main dashboard areas. Like it is on GitHub also. If you want, the link for my GitHub will be on description. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so if we go here, please ignore the background noise. Okay, so it is running. Yeah, now see, we have create account, login and exit. Like you can make your account. So if I go here, I can make my account now, and I can do like pra pranav at the rate 123. Okay, we can't do it. See, it only allows dashes and like underscore. Okay, I also forgot like what is need. P p Okay, so we can do this now. Allowed. Now we have to make a password. They are the condition: 8 character, 1 uppercase, at least 1 number, 1 special character, and no spaces. So what we can do, like we can just make this one. It will allow us. Now it will ask a name. This is only one time, so it will not ask you again. Now you are inside the dashboard. You can play rock paper scissors, hand cricket, profile stats. Like right now you have don't have profile stats, so it will not give you any. If you play some games, endless mode, you can play endlessly until you exit. Okay, I can show you like this. Okay, if I exit, done. Same limited mode, like 4 rounds. uh, Rock, scissor, and like maybe paper. Can I win? Yep, no, I it's a draw. So, and like this two will not count as like in our profile stats. Only third one, ranked mode, will count because you have to play 10 rounds. Rock. Okay, maybe like to show you, we can just go fast same letters so that we don't waste much time here. And like if I give wrong input, it will not take that input. So like to show you, we can just go faster and faster. Like I am winning only. Now it's a draw. Computer is winning. And like see what happened, I lost the match. Now in profile stats, if we go, okay, this should count if I am correct. Yup. Now we have one loss and one match played, 0% win rate. Now we can same do with hand cricket. Hand cricket is also like that. Endless mode, you can play like if you know hand cricket anything. Okay, if you are like a normal guy in India, you know, like odd or eve, and then we choose number. So we can play like we can choose odd or eve. Odd. Now we can choose a number, like we choose odd or eve odd, and then we choose like 5 or 4, any number. Okay, so we can choose 5. Now I won the toss, so I can bat or ball. I will choose to bat first. Now I am batting, so yeah, 4, 5. I like okay, he got me out. 6. Computer won the match. And why he won the match? Because see, I have a penalty. If you have 3 seconds to choose, okay, I will explain why. I will explain why we have only 3 seconds. Okay, so like it's to like give pressure to the player. Okay, if we go in limited mode, now we can choose how much like balls we want. We can play 2 overs, odd or eve, like again odd. Okay, 5. Now see, boy is batting, so I have to bat 4, 5, 3, 4. Okay, I got out. 6, 4, 3, 5, 3. Maybe, yeah, computer won the match. So he destroyed me. And now this 2 will be in the profile stats. See, 2 games, 2 losses, 0% win rate. Okay, and now we are going to add leaderboard also. Okay, and if we just end the program, for example, okay, we are ending the program. It also has session. We will start with that only. We will not be asked the login or create account again. Okay, like if we log out, then it will ask again. Okay, if we log out and then we do this, it will ask again. Why? Because we log out. So let me explain you some few concepts how this is working. So first one, this is main.py. Okay, you can see profile stats. Like this is the full profile stats type. Like username, we are using JSON file. Like I can show you the file. See, there are so many users. This is my main, so we have so many users like Pranav. See, one, like this is the hashing password. See how we hashed. If we go in file handler, okay, this, okay, we have this. hashing password. What it will do, it will take your password from create account. When you're creating account, it will take your password, okay, and after that the password will be hashed. Okay, it will be hashed. So what will happen, hashed, we using a variable, we are calling hash lib dot sha256. I am using sha256 for that. And then we did encoded. Right now, after this much part, okay, this much, till this much, it is not readable, so we'd use hexadigit. What it does, like, it will make a unreadable string in a readable string, okay, otherwise we will not be able to see it. So now this is readable, see, like this is a random pass, but actually it is pranav @123, okay, that's the password here. And like there's so many games, like you can see stores has score also. And like in my main.py, this is the like main.py of our, what we say, hand cricket. The logic is here. If you want, we can go detail in the logic, but if you can't, you can go in my like um, my github and you can get this everything. I will give you the that link in description. And like this is AI, like main part. My hand cricket works on AI. First, motive. What is motive? See, like it is like motive, we define how much runs we want per ball. So like if we want required run rate per ball, this is per ball, okay, everything is per ball. So is like greater than, like is, what we say, less than equal to 2, okay, then pre-style matlab play slowly, you can play as that. Less than equal to for balance, aggressive. And then we just give all this string, and here this, in this function we can just give the, what we say, weights. And weights, here is all the weights saved. And then we use this weights in frequency also. Frequency is like it will save all the moves of player batting and player bowling if he is in both condition in a list, and we can use that list to tell the Python to count how many numbers are repeated, and on the base of that we give like frequency score. Recency, last 5 number, the least number selected, you select that much, that number actually. And then bowling choice, for bowling choice we have a different function, batting choice we have a different function. And file handler, it is like very simple, we just make a load user, okay, then we do save user. This line os, like if it is for, like if you don't have this, like it will work in every computer because of this. So what it will do, it will go and try to find login system and data, okay, and if there is no data name or login system, there's no folder in data, then it will make a data in your computer or your phone. So it can work in any computer. If you want, you can also try it, okay. So yeah, this is like this took me 10 days to make, and like it is working very well. And like if you want, you can actually go and use that code, use this on my github very easily, no issue with that. So yeah, like if you actually like this, you can like subscribe the channel and you can like my video. Thanks guys.